Hello everyone and welcome in lesson 10. So today we are completing 3 more letters. The first 2 here are in the alphabet here. So we're completing 2 more letters from the alphabet, the kaf and the lam. The kaf is written like this and it is pronounced as a regular ka, kaf. This one here is lam and it's pronounced as an L. So it should be easy to pronounce and easy to spot in the words. This one here is not in the alphabet. It is here on the second line. It is called alif maqsura. It is written like a ya, but it is pronounced like an alif. So it is a, but written as a ya without the dots. Okay, so this is this one. So let's see how to write them. So this is the isolated shape of the kaf. Then we have, and it is connected both on the right and on the left. So we have this for our kaf. So as you notice, the isolated form is very similar to the ending form, which is usually the case because the tail is restored. Here the tail is quite flat. Plus there is a small sign inside. The initial form and the middle form here, they are very similar and they have a long stroke on the top. This little sign in the middle that we have in the isolated form and final form is actually a small kaf again. So that shape here is again repeated inside, and the reason is to distinguish it from the lam, which is our second letter today. So the lam also connects on the right and on the left, and the tail is just a bit more curved than the kaf, and there is no little kaf inside, obviously, and there is no stroke here. So this is the lam, isolated, initial, middle, ending form. So here, so far, it should be easy to distinguish. There is one peculiarity about the lam, is that when it is followed by an alif, then they connect and they make a specific glyph, which is different from each of them. Okay, so this is like a ligature of the lam plus the alif. This is a compulsory ligature, and sometimes Arabs would say that it is an additional letter to the alphabet, separate from the lam and the alif. This is because it connects as a compulsory glyph. And then, because the alif is not connected on the left side, if I continue to write my word, then it does not connect here. And it connects on the right, so if I add a kaf before, I get this, kilab, meaning dogs. So here, kilab is connected on the right, kilab, but not on the left, because the alif blocks the connection on the left. So this is this shape, lam alif, is extremely common, and you should be able to recognize it in the words. Then we have our alif maqsura. So alif maqsura, as I said, is written as a ya, but without the dots, and it is pronounced as a long alif, just like the alif we've seen so far. Here, the other peculiarity is that it's only found in the end of the word. It's never at the beginning or in the middle. It's only at the end, and it is pronounced just like an alif. The other thing is that you remember I told you if we have this, for example, we can have at the end of the word kitaba, and if we have 2 fatha, then it becomes kitaban, and so we have to add the alif. It is not pronounced, and it becomes kitaban. It becomes short. So since this alif maqsura is an ending alif, it works exactly the same. So if we have that word, for example, sada, the fatha here is not compulsory. This is enough to say sada or sada as you wish. But if you put two fathas, it becomes sadan. Sadan. So here, just like it was the case with this in here, here you have, because of the two fathas, the alif becomes short. So it goes sada, sadan. And the two fathas are not put on the alif maksura, they are put on the consonant before. Just like here, we don't put the two fatha on the alif, we put them on the letter before. Kitaban, kitaban, sadan. Okay, so these are the things to note about those three letters. Let's go to our exercises and try to read and pronounce and use our new skills in these words. So we have kataba, kitabun, kulan, kabirun, kubra, كوكب كرسي كل كلاسيكي سكوك شريك خطى ليس رضا لوح لقي لاعب فلاح فتوى تكليف. So here just a few commentaries. Here you have kulan. So if I had this, that would be kula, long alif, kula. Then here it becomes kulan. Kabirun, here the ya is a long vowel. Kubra, so here ending alif maksura. Here the waw is a consonant with sukun, kaw, kabun. Here, so here you see the lam alif, not connected to the sin, kilasiki. Here you have a long u, because it's damma sukun, sukuk, khota, long a, khota, and not khotan, khota. Here ridan, same. Here you see the lam alif, then da'i, la'ibun. And here you have a lam alif with a shadda on the lam, so it goes fallahun, fallahun. So the lam is doubled, fallahun. Here you have the waw, which is a consonant with the fatha on top, fatwa, fatwa. So here you should be able to practice your new skills. Enjoy your reading and see you in next lesson.